In this video, I want to go over the weekly newsletter from Flying Research and then also just do a quick little tutorial on how I like to use Flying Research to find trending niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before we take a look at the newsletter from Flying Research, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is currently 5:51 p.m. on a Friday evening, sitting at 24 sales, 3 returns, and $21 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,261 sales for the month, and in royalties, that's going to put me at $1,921 for the month of March. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So when you sign up to Flying Research every week or every Friday, they're going to email you this newsletter, just kind of going over like the news for the week for Merch by Amazon, some deleted designs, and they also give us one evergreen low competition niche. So here for the news, they're talking about these merch Easter deals that have started. So many sellers on European marketplaces received an email a few weeks ago inviting them to participate in event and evergreen deals. Initially, this seemed like a minor concession, but a 15% discount on a shirt translates to a significant 40 to 50% cut in royalties for you. With the Amazon merch Easter deal now underway, there's already a chorus of complaints about diminished royalties. Furthermore, some sellers who explicitly declined the deal via email have still seen price reductions applied to their products. So me personally, I don't even really sell on the European marketplace. I just sell on the United States marketplace. So I did not receive any email or invitation. But let me know what you guys think about this, or if you are have been affected by this. For the trend section, they're basically talking about what they talked about last week. Like the biggest trend now is Easter, since St. Patrick's Day has passed. And then for the deleted designs, this is something that I didn't know about, these silent removals. So this week, our deleted section doesn't spotlight a particular design theme. However, we've learned that Amazon is once again conducting numerous silent removals. We advise you to periodically check the status column under the Manage tab in your Merch console for any items marked as removed to stay informed of any changes to your listings. And I actually did this, and I saw that I had 2 designs that had actually been removed. So just go to your dashboard, your Manage tab, filter it by removed, and you might have some designs that have been removed or not. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the low competition evergreen niche, and it is microgreens. So at a glance, microgreens are young vegetable greens, approximately 1 to 3 inches tall, harvested just after the first true leaves have developed. Following the sprout stage, they are essentially baby plants, including edible herbs, vegetables, and greens, and are used for both their nutritional value and to enhance the flavor, texture, and color of dishes. So in my opinion, basically they're just sprouts that people like to eat for nutritional value, and for chefs that like to use them to make their dishes look nice. When we go to Google Images, we can see this is what microgreens look like. When we go back to the newsletter, we're going to see that the search volume is high in April and May. The trend over the past 5 years is kind of choppy, kind of up and down. Here are the key metrics in the U.S. market. So 5,000 products on Amazon, 1,200 clothing products, and 60 Merch by Amazon shirts. And when we fact check this by going to Merch Informer, I got actually a few more results than what they had said. When we go to Merch Informer, type in microgreens, we're going to see that there's 110 results. If we go back to the newsletter, here what some of the keyword top performers are for both Google and Amazon. A couple facts: evergreen niche and established over the years. Fact 2, not one outstanding seller. There's a wide range of simple selling designs. When we take a deeper dive into this niche, we can see what some of the best sellers are looking like. And let's just go back to Merch by Amazon right here. So we can see what the designs look like. We can see that they are selling. They have reviews right here. It's low in competition. So this is what we want. We want low in competition and selling. When we go back to the newsletter, they give us some good advice for designing. So in creating designs, emphasize the vibrant growth and eco-friendly aspect of microgreens without focusing on specific varieties. Use visuals of lush greens and gardening tools paired with catchy phrases like tiny greens, huge flavor. Highlight the simplicity of growing and the nutritional benefits, appealing to those interested in sustainable, healthy living. This design strategy captures the essence of microgreens, small in size but significant in impact. And they actually give us a few sayings that we can use. Now, I have not checked these for trademark, but I did make a design using this phrase right here. So, sprout more, worry less. I'll show it to you here in a second. Petite greens, grande dreams, small greens, huge gains. One thing though I think that they're missing right here in designing is I would also try and focus on people that grow the microgreens, because I actually kind of got into this niche about half a year ago. I was actually thinking about selling or growing these here in Puerto Vallarta and actually selling them. I even bought a course on Udemy about it. So I think you also want to focus on people that are growing these microgreens. But if we take a look at the keyword pool you can use, so they have single word, microgreens, gardening, garden. They should have grower in here. Here they have some long tail keywords like micro farming, urban gardening, microgreen seeds. And then they give us a better example listing, and I actually use this in the listing and the design that I designed, which I'll show you here in a second. But for the brand, they're going microgreen, urban gardening, herbs, micro farming. The title I think is could be better. I mean, they don't even have microgreen in the title, which I thought was kind of weird. I think microgreen should be the first keyword. So I'll show you what I did with the keywords on the design that I designed. And then here they give us a score. So they're giving it a 7 for niche, 7 for potential, and 8 for organic. I think that adds up to 22. And then here they give us, every week they give us like a clip art. This guy Ron, he has an Etsy store, you can check it out. But this is the clip art that they give us. It comes in PNG and SVG. Alright, so that is the newsletter, and let me go ahead and show you the design that I made. So here's the design that I used using that clip art. So I decided to go with the retro sunset. I have this retro sunset in a PSD file, so anytime a niche pops up, I can just pull this out. Saves me a lot of time. And then I use this phrase that they're recommending, which was this top one, sprout more, worry less. So you can see made it pretty quickly. And this is what it looks like when I uploaded it onto Merch by Amazon. So if we go back here, we're going to see, where is it? I think this one. Yeah, so right here, you're going to see I uploaded it. I made it nice and big, so oh, I got another sale. Oh, all right, they're starting to come in. So I made it nice and big, so it takes up a lot of space. I always recommend that when you're designing. Like here, we're going to go back to Photoshop. I'm using all of the canvas space. I want it nice and big so that it stands out, catches people's eyes, so that it pops like a billboard. And then here are the keywords that I used. But you can see I changed the title and I put microgreens, and I also put grower. I thought that was a little better. I did use their bullet points 1 and bullet points 2, but when I clicked on the trademark, a couple things popped up. So what I want to do here is just basically just get rid of some of these, let's go with just to keep my account safe. So let's get rid of that. Okay, and then one thing that you can do, if you click on this bullet buttons right here, it will take bullet 1, bullet 2, and it will put it in the product description, which is kind of cool. So you can see how it added that right there. Then I just want to do one final check right here. Oh man. All right. Okay, so it looks like nothing pops up now. Looks like this is safe. Let me just double check the design. I always want to make sure that youth is not selected in case something can kind of get me in trouble, unless it's a specific design for youth. Okay, so youth is unchecked there, and it's also unchecked there. Okay, so this looks like it's good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Hopefully it goes through. But now let's go ahead and take a look at Flying Research. And I'll do a quick little tutorial and show you how I like to use Flying Research to find trending niches. So I'm a happy customer of Flying Research. That's why I like to make these videos. That's why I also have an affiliate link for it as well, because I think it's a good product. But basically what I do is I just come to this home page and I click on Seller Trends. I don't really use it for anything else. I only use it for Seller Trends. And I have it set up for the United States, T-shirt newest. And then here we're going to see what the newest selling trends are. So right here, isn't it your jail time? I actually, this happened like 2 weeks ago on the weekend. It was Jimmy Kimmel at the Oscars. He made a joke about Trump, and I did a live stream the following day, and I recommended this niche. There was only like 4 results. I think now there's over like 1,000. And I made a design for this, and I actually got 2 sales on it just a couple days ago. But this is a popular niche that is starting to trend. That's why I recommend that you watch the streams I do, so that you guys could make sure you're not missing out on the niches. Right here, we're going to scroll down. Let's see if we can find another one. There was a good one that I saw. Where was it? So you can see Eclipse is very popular, but that's going to be ending. Okay, so this one right here. What I like to do is I like to come in here. I like to look for duplicates. All right, so right here we're going to see Cinco de Drinko, Biachos. Okay, I saw that one, and then I think I saw another one that was kind of similar. Where was it? Maybe I missed it. Okay, well, I could have sworn there was another one. Maybe I missed it up top here. But basically, I just like to look for duplicates, and when I see duplicates, then I will do a little more research. And basically, that design, I have a feeling that it has to do with, yeah, here it is right here. So Cinco de Drinko biatches, that's one, and then there was another one right down here. That has to do with Cinco de Mayo. So after April, next big holiday that's going to come up is going to be Cinco de Mayo. So that could be a good one for you guys right there. That's basically how I like to use flying research. I just come into seller trends, look for duplicates, and then I do a little more research, make sure that's not trademarked, then I will design for it. Now, if you want to sign up for flying research, you can just go to any one of my videos or this video right here, and it's the 4th or 5th link in the description. It will take you to this page right here. And I just like to use the most basic package, this one right here, for $18.33. And basically it comes with the seller trends, because that's all I really care about. I don't really care about like the AI stuff, the trademark stuff. I just want the seller trends. All right, so if you're interested, go ahead and check out the affiliate link. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But like I said, I do like flying research. It helps me kind of have a little edge over the competition and seeing what is trending. All right, so that is going to be it for today's video. If you want to support the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I got another affiliate link for Creative Fabrica if you're interested. And if you also want to know how I get sales like this on a regular basis, I also have a link for a course. It's on Udemy. It's only 20 bucks. It's good for beginners or for people that are starting to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. And then also, I'm going to be doing another live on Monday. The only thing, though, is that this week, you know, I'm going to do it at my girlfriend's house, because if I do it here, just the internet, it's not as good as it is at my girlfriend's house. But at my girlfriend's house, it's my son's going to be there. He won't be at school because it's Easter now. So she'll be at a dancing class, but my son will probably be running around in the background. So we'll just have to swing it, see how it goes. But if you want to join us for the live, it's going to be on Monday, and I think probably at like 10 a.m. Central. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.